Okay, so today's video is on yucca or cassava, which is a woody shrub native to South America. It is a beautiful root vegetable. Well, I like it a lot anyway. Not everybody does, but I really enjoy it. And it's also the third largest source of carbohydrates in the tropics after rice and corn. So a lot of people do like it, obviously. It feeds basically over 500 million people. It's also one of the most drought-tolerant crops there are and capable of growing in really shitty soil. Interestingly, Nigeria is the world's largest producer of cassava, while Thailand is the largest exporter of dried cassava. Honestly, I would prefer durian. I would prefer fruit any old day of the week, but when it comes to cooked root vegetables, I really like cassava. And I know I did say that I was giving up cooked food, and that was true, but I'm back on the cook for a little bit, and we can talk about that again later. Anyway, throughout this video I do refer to it as yucca because in South America they call it yucca. But don't be confused. There's another root vegetable and it's spelled YUCA. It's not the same as YUCA. Whoa. Big. Oh, there's one. One bit of it. Oh, nice. Yeah.
More ones though.
Small ones are tasty, can even eat them raw. Yeah. Watch out the other seedling there. Oh, that's big.
A good one.
Yeah, that's a good size. Yeah, yucca. We got a feast tonight.
Esculenta manihop.
We can go to market with this.
Yeah. Look at that. Au natural.
And free. Free food off the property.
No fertilizer, just in the soil.
Yeah. So how old are these plants? Yeah, a year, huh?
1 year.
1 year.
No, like 10 months.
10 months, yeah. Yes,
A little bit
nice.
less.
But these ones might be sweeter because they're a little smaller. And now we're going to replant the yucca. So you just take a little, like, how many inches is that?
You can take half of this if you want.
Mm.
This is a good size. Just make sure you put it right way up.
So the nodes
The nose
need
is
to be
gonna
facing
shoot
up.
out here,
They need to be facing up,
facing up.
which is a little bit hard to tell sometimes.
Thick and down.
Thick and down, yeah.
Just dig it in.
Just push it in. And soon it will spring up.
Doesn't have to be wet or fertile. They do very well.
They're amazing.
It's a good pioneering species.
And it tastes like, would you say a cross between a sweet potato and a potato? A white potato? Or kind of like a savory...
Doesn't taste like a sweet potato.
No. But it doesn't fully taste like a white potato either. So you just cut the yucca. And you have several new trees. Well, it's not a tree, new plants that you can...
So planting a sunny spot.
Okay.
You got the flowers. They have nectar in them.
They're pretty.
They produce seeds, which you can plant too. They have nectar, which is quite sweet. It's really nice.
The bees are going to be angry at you.
Yeah, but all others are gonna go to seed.
Yeah.
This is among the first ones. We need to plant more.
Well, nothing at all went to waste, right?
No.
I mean, nothing ever does when you're doing
All
natural organic farming.
biodegradable,
Mm.
chemicals,
Even
no
the bag.
fertilizer.
The bag is biodegradable. Is it nice?
Not good. Too old.
Are you meant to eat, like, you might take that off.
Or took it too late.
So before cooking, you have to peel off this layer.
Otherwise it's poisonous. The white sap here. There's cyanide in it.
Great. But we didn't have any then.
Or is this poisonous?
Toxic.
Otherwise it's perfectly fine.
It's quite smooth under there, isn't it?
It's good. It's
Feels
when
very easy.
It's nice when they're fresh, easy to peel.
Okay, it's the harvest. Look at this. This one's been peeled. So as the soil gets richer, they're going to get fatter.
Yeah.
More
This was
nutrition.
basically planted in old lawn.
Yeah, so they take up the nutrition that's in the soil.
So cassava is definitely something you want to plant when you first come to a site.
Then it can like nourish the soil for
Yeah,
future crops as well.
If you don't harvest it, these stay in the soil and aerate the soil. And create food for microbes and other animals.
How strange
And
is
shade,
this
yeah. Look at this one.
Can't wait to eat these.
Try this one.
What do you think? Pistachio?
Starch.
Starchy? Yeah.
Not as good as
plenty
durian
boring.
though. Not like a durian.
Salad. Oh. Yucca.
Yucca.
Mountain of yucca.
This is how we eat.
Yeah.
We don't have a big table yet.
No.
Straight in the garden.
Yeah, that's the way. I really like it.
Yeah, it's very simple.
It reminds me of breadfruit.
An egg, a little bit of egg
It's a
in the
bit,
consistency.
a bit eggish.
It's nice. It beats any potato I ate when I was living in Sweden.
Yeah,
It's nice.
and living in Australia. It's
What are
good.
you doing? You wasting food?
No, just a little bit.
Giving cooked food to the animals. Yeah, it's nice. It's a little bit dry,
Try?
but it's also juicy. You know, the core is dry. It definitely doesn't need like frying or anything like that, like most people do with it.
Chippies would be good though.
Oh yeah, that would be really good. But this is like really nice. You know,
In Ecuador we had chippies. Yucca chips.
it's nothing compared to a jackfruit.
No,
but
it's good.
it's not jackfruit season.
We can
Yes.
still eat this whole thing. And you can sweeten it up with some coconut sugar.
Or some tomatoes, you know.
Cooked tomato, one of the